Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, أولئك الذين آتيناهم الكتاب والحكم والنبوة فإن يكفر بها هؤلاء فقد وكلنا بها قوما ليسوا بها بكافرين. Translation: Those are they to whom we gave the book and an authority and prophethood. But if they disbelieve it, then indeed we will entrust it to such people who do not disbelieve in it. In the previous ayah, we studied about the people who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave guidance, and in this ayah, we see that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned about these people who are guided. The prophets were given the book and the wisdom and the nabuwa, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave different books to different prophet, and whichever prophet got a book, his followers believed in the book. And the hukum is mentioned by the scholar as the wisdom to make correct decisions about the disputes, and the prophets used to do that. In this ayah, Nabuwa is mentioned because there is difference in Nabuwa and Risala, and Risalat is not mentioned here, and every Rasul is a Nabi, but every Nabi is not a Rasul. A Rasul is mentioned by scholars as a prophet who is given a Sharia and who is given a book and sent to a specific nation, while a Nabi is a prophet who is sent to the people, but he does not have these characteristics that are mentioned. If someone does not believe even a single prophets of the past, it is as if he has denied or disbelieved all the prophets, because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is mentioning these prophets in the book of Allah, and if somebody is disbelieving any one of those, it means that he is not believing Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as the prophet of Allah, and he is disbelieving all of them. So if somebody is disbelieving like the polytheist of Mecca disbelieved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it did not hurt Islam, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the guidance to the people in Mecca who believed in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Quran, and also the people in Medina who became the Ansar, and they believed in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Quran, and ultimately the whole Arabia believed in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Quran. Some scholars have said that in the words قَوْمًا لَيْسُوا بِهَا بِكَافِرِينَ means that since Adam alayhi salam, all people who believed in Allah and the prophets included in this. Wallahu alam. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us among those who recite Quran, who understand Quran, who act on the commandments of Quran, and who preach Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.